Alright, this table shows the grades of students for one semester. Find the GPA. So this is a good skill to be able to have to find a GPA. So assume that the grade points are 4 for A, 3 for B, and so on. So if a student earns a grade of a B, then they get 3 points for each credit hour in that course. If they get a score of A, a grade of A, they get 4. C, 2, and B, 3. So basically you get more points toward your overall GPA, your grade point, if you get an A, which makes sense, right? And then also depending on the credit hours. So each credit hour times the grade actually gets you your GPA, and it's an average. So what we do here for GPA is it's actually going to be the grade times the credit hour, so the number of credit hours. So we want the total of that. So we're going to add together all of the grades and credit hours, and then we divide by the total number of credit hours. All right, so if we look at this first one here, 3 credit hours times 3, since it was a B, that gives us 9 quality points. So we call those quality points. It gives us 9 points. 3 times 4, which is 12. 2 times 2, which is 4, and 4 times 3, which is 12. So total with the number of credit hours there, so those quality points, we've got 9 plus 12 plus 4 plus 12 divided by the total number of credit hours. And so the first one was a 3, and then we had a 3 and a 2 and a 4, right? So there's 3 credit hours for the fourth course, 3 for the second, 2 for the third, and 4 for the fourth. So together we've got 9 plus 12 plus 4 plus 12. So 37 divided by our 12 total credit hours. So that gives us 37 divided by 12, which gives us 3.08 as a GPA. So when we're finding the GPA, you take each credit number, multiply by the credit given for the grade. So for a B, that's 3, so 3 quality points for each hour, which gave us 9, and then times 4 or 2, etc., right? And then we add those up and divide by the total credit hours. And finally here it says round to the nearest tenth. So if I wanted to round 3.08 to the nearest tenth, that 8 is in the hundredths place, so we look at that, that's going to round up, so we've got a 3.1 GPA.